Traveling the world is a dream for many, but the idea of expensive flights, luxury hotels, and high costs often makes it seem out of reach. The truth is, you don't need a massive bank account to explore new places and experience different cultures. With the right strategies and mindset, you can travel the world on a budget without sacrificing the quality of your adventures. In this guide, we'll show you step by step how to make your dream trips a reality while staying financially smart. The first step to traveling on a budget is to plan ahead. Research is your best friend when it comes to saving money. Start by choosing destinations that offer great value for travelers. Countries in Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, and Central America are known for their affordability and stunning attractions. Use tools like Google Flights or Skyscanner to monitor flight prices and set alerts for deals. Booking your tickets during sales or off-peak seasons can save you hundreds of dollars. When it comes to accommodations, think beyond traditional hotels. Budget-friendly options like hostels, guest houses, and homestays are excellent choices for saving money while meeting fellow travelers. Websites like Hostel World and Airbnb offer a wide range of affordable stays that cater to different needs. If you're open to adventure, consider couch surfing, where you stay with locals for free. Not only does this cut down on costs, but it also gives you a more authentic cultural experience. Transportation is another area where you can save significantly. Instead of expensive taxis or rental cars, opt for public transportation like buses, trains, or metro systems. Many cities also offer bike-sharing programs, which are not only cheap but also a great way to explore. For longer distances, look into budget airlines or overnight buses and trains to save on both transportation and accommodation costs. Apps like Roam to Rio can help you find the cheapest and most efficient ways to get around. Food is an essential part of any travel experience, but dining out for every meal can quickly drain your budget. Save money by eating like a local. Street food, food markets, and local eateries often provide authentic and delicious meals at a fraction of the cost of touristy restaurants. If you're staying in a place with a kitchen, consider cooking some of your meals using fresh ingredients from local markets. Not only will this save money, but it's also a fun way to immerse yourself in the local culture. Activities and sightseeing can also be done on a budget with a little creativity. Many cities offer free walking tours, where knowledgeable guides take you around the main attractions and share interesting stories. Look for free or discounted entry days at museums, parks, and cultural sites. Some attractions, like beaches or hiking trails, are completely free and offer unforgettable experiences. Additionally, prioritize experiences over material souvenirs. You'll create memories that last a lifetime without adding to your luggage. Travel insurance might seem like an unnecessary expense when you're trying to save money, but it's a crucial investment. Unexpected events like medical emergencies, trip cancellations, or lost belongings can end up costing far more than the insurance itself. Compare different travel insurance providers and choose one that fits your budget and needs. One of the most overlooked ways to save money while traveling is by being flexible. Flexibility in your travel dates, destinations, and even your itinerary can lead to significant savings. For example, flying midweek or at odd hours is often cheaper than traveling on weekends. Similarly, staying open to visiting less popular destinations or traveling during the off-season can help you avoid crowds and inflated prices. Earning while traveling is another strategy to extend your adventures. Consider teaching English, freelancing online, or working part-time in exchange for accommodations through programs like Workaway or WWF. These opportunities not only help you save money, but also allow you to experience life in a new place from a unique perspective. Finally, stick to your budget by tracking your expenses. Apps like Trail Wallet or Splitwise can help you monitor your spending and ensure you stay on track. Set daily or weekly limits for food, activities, and other expenses to avoid overspending. To summarize, traveling the world on a budget is entirely possible with the right approach. Let's recap the key tips. 1. Plan ahead and research budget-friendly destinations and flights. 2. Choose affordable accommodations like hostels, Airbnb, or couch surfing. 3. Use public transportation and budget airlines to save on transit costs. 4. Eat like a local and cook your own meals when possible. 5. Look for free or discounted activities and prioritize experiences over things. 6. Invest in travel insurance to protect against unexpected expenses. 7. Stay flexible with your dates and destinations to find the best deals. 8. Consider earning while traveling to offset costs. 9. Track your spending to stick to your budget. With these strategies, you can explore the world without breaking the bank. The key is to focus on the experiences that matter most and find creative ways to enjoy them affordably. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who dreams of budget travel. Let us know in the comments where you're planning to visit next and your favorite travel hacks. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.